Che Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm talking about a great project that I find interesting happening. It's called Echo, another great project I discovered on the Cosmos Hub network, where they list over 256 apps. And now, in the next coming weeks, I'm going to talk mostly about the app or apps that's run over the Cosmos network. I think it's really important with all the benefit and features the Cosmos bring into the market, and apps tap into this technology to bring great features in the coming months or years to come for the Web 3.0. So now I'm going to talk about Echo. Echo is not a bank. It's one simple balance that lets you spend, send, save, and make money at the same time. They all do this, all packaging into one app. You can spend, send, save, and make money. Who doesn't like that? This is really cool. But just before to keep going with all the features about Echo, my friend, I want you to take a couple of action for this great channel. The first one is subscribe right now. Smash that like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Press the notification ding 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. Thank you so much. So let's go back to Echo. Everything rely on one D app, as you can see. Really, really straightforward. One application. They have a lot of projects out there that they bring an application where you can handle many cryptocurrency or get reward by many or staking. They have a lot. So, but you need to choose wisely. This one seemed very interesting. I think is not yet ready. I'm going to close this beautiful ads because just so get early access, so you can I think this project is on an infancy stage. This is really cool, but what they want to accomplish, I think, is really cool. So I'm going to just come back here. Echo, I'm going to read again that title. Echo is not a bank. This is really important to understand. Is one simple balance that lets you to spend, send, save, and make money in one app. Simple, very application. At the same time, everything. So you just to recap: send, save, make money, and save as well, and send and save and spend. Sorry. So I say they have over actually 180,000 people that have already downloaded or tried. I'm not quite sure, but this is really cool. As you can see, Echo is backed by 150 plus world-class investors, including Andreessen Horizon, Founder Fund, L. Cardin, and Activent. So this app means they have some potential, and this is really interesting. Echo is not a checking account because you earn 2.5% on your balance and up to 5% when you refer friends. So you can refer a friend as well and make some money with passively. This is really cool. Who doesn't like to make passive income? It's not always passive because sometimes you need to do active because you need to promote or share with your friends and to share with them the advantages of the apps. But you can up to 5% if you refer your friends, and because you earn up to 2.5%. This is really cool. And the apps seem very seamless, very straightforward, beautiful color, well designed with yellow, blue, and white stuff like that. This is really interesting. Echo is not a credit card. I love that. So because every time you spend at your favorite machine, you get back 5%. Oh, 5% every time. So you spend for your grocery, for the gas was very expensive right now. You get 5%. Echo 5% cashback. Premium 2% cashback for American Express and Cheso, and Mastercard only 1%. But now you can make 5%. So this is really, really cool. It's not a bank. It's not a checking account. It's not a credit card. 3 commercial components that you need to know. But Echo replace them all. Wow. with reward that seem too good to be true but actually aren't. Join 180,000 people ready for small money. So you put your email and get ready to try that. This is really cool. How is this not too good to be true? This is really important. I need to take some coffee and discover at the same time with you. For most people, saying is believing. Once they test out, echo, and confirm that the benefits we are offering are real, they become our champions and invite everyone they know to the app. But some people need to earn more first. If you are reading this, odds are you are one of these peoples. Continue reading. So you just need to click. So you say from old money to smart money. But how does 5% appear works? What's about 5% cashback? How does Echo make money and is it sustainable? How do people get comfortable without FDIC insurance? This is all legitimate question, but this is seem very interesting. So if you want to know more about this project, you just need to put your email and then try to be a replacement of your bank account. I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, but we are in the convergence point that the way we interact with bank, we deal with money is starting to change. We migrate with the web to our web 3, and I'm very passionate about money, financial, and all the stuff related to this area. And apps like this will make a big impact in the near futures in the next coming 5 years or 10 years. But we are in a phase of the changing, and this I know I am a little bit off track of Echo, but it's a very interesting project. So let's go jump to another great section about Echo. So Echo puts your money back to work for you. This is really good. I'm going to read again. Echo puts your money back to work for you. I need to take some coffee. As you can see, the Echo app is the first consumer fintech product whose creator are truly aligned with its users. They are aligned, so they have shared common vision, common insight, everything related with visions with the users. Financial infrastructure and businesses model have changed meaningfully since the 1917. This is incredible, my friend. But it's time to start. We are in the convergence of the Web3. We have a new model. One where we think came from you. One where we are on the same team as you. A race not for the bottom but to the top. To the moon. And our vision is so much bigger than that. If you want to dive in the deep end, start by learning about the why Echo is not a bank. This is really important. I'm not a fashion advisor, but dig for yourself is something that you seem very interesting about it and to learn more about it. As you can see, they have investor, Andreessen Results, Founders Fund, and many backers who invest in this project and this ID. And the team, as you can see, they have a big team. So many, look is that. So many much people who work for this company, and this is something. How much advisors? Okay, at least this is one project that sometimes I see 5 team members and 20 advisors. So this is not good. But and just to see that they have many people that work on the ecosystem, this seems very interesting project. Come build the futures for money. As you can see, they have a lot of open position. So this is something that seemed very interesting in the pipe. I just discovered this project. Just for browsing the ecosystem of customers. This is the reason I decided to not to specialize but to concentrate in the next coming weeks only on the customers hub and all the project listed on the portal. And I think that I don't know why, but I need to do it. Sometimes you need to harden your inner voice, not to try to follow every path of every influencer because they just talk about one project that you need to talk about it. You need to be yourself, authentic, and that's the reason I say why not just to talk about to dig into the great project of the Cosmos, and I discovered a code that seemed very, very promising and very interesting, and pipe just what you want to bring in the market. They want to bring something useful that people, I think, might use in the coming weeks or coming months or coming years. I don't know. But don't forget, I'm just providing this information as educational purpose, and you always need to do your own research. Everything rely on you. But I love to share great things that I find interesting. I'm going to jump on the last section about this project. So this is the blog. This is another great ecosystem. So as you can see, I think this is all the blog posts they recently put on their website. Eco Explorer 1, the what and the why. It's time for smart money, expanding our ecosystem, welcoming cultural icons to Echo. So I hope you really enjoy. Sorry about it. I need to take some coffee just before to make my closing. I want you to take. Oh, sorry. Sorry about it. I want you to take a couple of action for this great channel. The first one is subscribe right now. Smash the like button with Brabant and Powerful Energy. Press the bell notification, ding ding ding, to get notified from Monday through Friday. And as well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the stress school. You have all my gratitude. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode for another great thing about Cosmos or other project out there and the cryptos first. And have a great day ahead. Ciao, ciao.